Here we go again. What's up? How you doing today? So welcome back. What I mean back is welcome back if you have already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, go ahead and then just smash that subscribe button below. If you have your video on full screen, please just reduce it and then smash the subscribe button and then continue doing what you're doing just till the end of this video, because I have something to share with you. So I hope you're doing great, and I'm doing fantastic, like fantastically awesome. So, and I can't wait for the 4th of July. So today it's here 9:30 and on Friday, so this is 3rd of July. I can't wait for tomorrow to kick off 4th of July and then to see those fireworks in the sky. When I was a kid, I used to be scared of them, but not anymore, man. The more you grow, the more like some things just become funny instead of like scary. I hope it is same for you. And so without wasting too much of your time, I'm done talking, I'm done running my mouth. Now we're gonna go straight to the reason why you're here. So you're here because I told you I have some ab roller, and that's what I'm gonna do now. That's what I'm gonna try to show you. I'm gonna show you the ab roller I bought. Honestly speaking, I never used one before. So I said, why not? I'm just gonna try it, because maybe you love to use ab roller to do your workout instead of those crunches, syrups, and all those good stuff. So that's why I bought it, and I'm just gonna give it a shot, because why not? Now we're gonna go see what we got in there. So honestly, I bought it from Amazon. I didn't walk like straight in the store and then just grab them. I bought it from Amazon, and it took like, I don't know, it took like 3 weeks for it to get here. And one more thing, it's not just ab roller, because I want to start doing like calisthenics videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss, because I haven't done it before. I just do like regular body weight workout and then gym workout. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so that you can see, because I'm gonna be putting the training, how I'm learning it myself. I'm gonna be uploading it. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss it, because I don't want to come back one day and then in a video I'm gonna show you myself doing some cool stuff. Everyone starts somewhere, so that's why I'm gonna be posting them for you to see them, like how I really learn, because I don't want to be one of those people that just pop up in front of the screen, started doing some cool stuff. It's pretty cool, but I want to show you that anybody can do it. So that's why I bought it, like combined ab roller and those like push-ups thing that you can use to do your push-ups, and it helps also to learn like superhuman strength and things like that. So without wasting too much of your time, I'm gonna go ahead and then open it. So the first thing is this is a box opener. I bought it. It's like 3 sets of them. I'm not gonna tell you what the rest is, unless if you want to know what the rest is, just leave in comment, say yes, just type yes in comment, and then I promise you that I will show you the rest of this set that came. So here it is. Here's our baby. Oh, you don't want to see my name? No, I don't want you to visit me, because I'm not going to show you my address. Yep. So here, as you can see, anytime you see this arrow, it's Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and then I'm just gonna like destroy it. It's gonna be fun. So like anyhow. Yeah. If you have strength, use it. If you don't have it, go get it. I have workout videos, go watch them, and then get it. We humans, we get whatever we want, we go and then we grab it. That's what it is. This is part of my money, guys. I promise you, they charge me on this, but guess what? It's useless now for me. I cannot even use it. So just All right, we're gonna open it. As you can see, 6-in-1 ab wheel roller set. So right there. Gonna open it. I don't know how you guys. I never did it, but I see like in the movies, because I watch movies. Though when someone wanna like present ring to a girl, or maybe to a guy, why not? How they do it. So, but I'm not gonna kneel though. I'm sorry, I cannot do that. So just gonna open it. Ta-da! And we have this. This form. I'm gonna tell you what this form is about. Just stay right there. And this, I don't know why they put it in there, but I'm pretty sure they charge me on this too. Useless, right? Anything useless, away. This is the guide. I'll tell you, and then I'll use the guide to tell you too. So that's 2 tellings. The wheel. So enter sport. There. So these, as you can see, these are gonna be for push-ups. These are the ones that's gonna go into the push-up thing to help them hold them on the floor. Oh, something is falling. Small piece of glass. There. This. So, I'm gonna adjust this a little bit. And these. So yeah, we're gonna go here and take everything out. I think this is gonna be extra though, because I don't think I need it. Oh yes, I do. So we're gonna start with the ab roller. We're gonna put it together. So self-explanatory. Just gonna go like this. This one goes in the hole. Oh, I'm having fun already. And I think this one just goes in there. The handle. Oops. Second handle. Oops. And there we go. So guys, yeah, if you want, you'll use this to help hold yourself. That's what these are for, these two. So the way it's gonna work is you're gonna put it inside. You're gonna put it in there. Just gonna look like this. You're gonna put it here, and then you close it. There. And then you're gonna use this one too. You're gonna put the second one in here. So as I said, I will be making videos to just specific workout for the ab roller. So these are gonna go to your feet, so that to hold you. That's how it's gonna be. So basically just like this, it's gonna help hold you a little bit so that you don't do anything crazy to your back. So that was the ab roller. Just I unboxed it and then I'm on it. I will be doing some exercises about it in my next video. So yeah, and then I'll be leaving the link in the description to that video. So now the push-up there, this one there, that's one, second one there. So they have these, if I can call them, to hold it so that it doesn't come out when you use it. You're using it there. So simple, right? Just like this on the floor, and then you there pumping. Yep. Is that what it is? Yep. That's what's up. And this is the book, and this you're gonna use this pad for your knees. So you're just gonna go somewhere here. Let's say this is the floor, right? You're gonna go here, and your knees are gonna be on there, and the ab roller at the front. So I'll make a video showing you guys how you're gonna use them, guys. This is pretty awesome because you can use this one also to do like L sit, which I probably will be doing in my like another video. So make sure you subscribe, guys. And I'm also thinking about start like making some French videos. I mean like French videos. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did not, I promise you I'll find a way to make you enjoy my videos. Just let me know in the comment section. And also, whether you enjoyed it or you did not enjoy this video, hey, make sure you subscribe, because at least you found something that you didn't enjoy, and like anytime you want to remember of it, you'll just come and then watch it again. I know you're gonna ask yourself, why will I come to watch it again, to watch something I didn't enjoy? It's because you didn't enjoy it. You don't, like, that's how life is. You don't have to like enjoy everything. That's not normal. If you start enjoying everything, there's probably something wrong, and you can talk to me. It's secret between both of us. So I promise you I'll keep it just between us. So make sure you subscribe, and if you've already done so, thank you so much. And then keep coming watching. I'll keep producing videos, and yeah, make sure you like it, because it's pretty important. It's gonna help me. The more you help me, the more I get to make videos and then make some good content. Like where I'm sitting, you see this thing behind me. If I had enough resources, you wouldn't say you'll see me making videos like somewhere, some fancy place, and then you're gonna really enjoy the background. So that's why it's very important for you just to like this video, to share it with your friends. Just because you like me, I do know that just share with your friends. You can on your social media, you can tag me, or just ask a shout out for me on your Instagram. Like anywhere you go, if you type Mufasa Fitness on Facebook, you're gonna find my Facebook page. You're not gonna find my personal Facebook. You're gonna find my Facebook page. You're just gonna be same logo as my YouTube channel logo, and on Instagram it's just gonna be Mufasa.fitness. So it's gonna be same thing. As long as you type Mufasa Fitness, you should be able to find me. And thank you guys so much. And the next thing I'm gonna tell you is subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.